Greetings! If you like these daily crypto analysis videos, hit the like button and subscribe. Please share these videos with your friends to help the channel grow. I'm Crypto Snake, back again to discuss some Bitcoin analysis. So, let's start the stream out by addressing the elephant in the room. And it really doesn't matter which time frame we look at, because holy hell, Batman, look at these absolute manipulation candles here. So technical analysis has been absolutely just thrown out the window by this. As I laid out in the previous videos, I did believe we were going to go bearish, and I still do believe we are going to go bearish and go down from this. If we go ahead down into the 1 hour, you can see this exemplified here. Now look at this green candle. Okay, you could probably say, okay, well there was technical analysis to support that this was gonna, no, there really wasn't. And today I'm gonna cover exactly what this was, what caused it, how you could have possibly have seen it actually happening, and what it actually means for Bitcoin in the future. So first you can see here, okay, this looks like, oh, a giant green candle on the 1 hour. Now if we actually go down to the 5-minute candles here, you can actually see all of this money was pumped in one 5-minute candle. An almost $230 to $300 price jump in under 20 minutes. Yeah, that seems natural. Okay, so what was this? If we go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin USD short charts and go ahead and switch to the 4-hour chart here, you can see we did actually hit a peak on the shorts and caused a drop here. But that's not entirely what caused this entire green spike here on Bitcoin. What caused this gigantic green spike here was actually BitMEX, which is the short and long leverage trading website, where basically you trade with the exchange's money and bet your money that it will go either up or down. So BitMEX actually had scheduled maintenance just before this, which had everyone up in an uproar over on that exchange. So what happened was, as shorts were at an all-time high, that meant basically the market thought it was going to go down. Because the website was going down, a lot of people closed out their short positions for profit because they didn't want to get liquidated while the exchange was down. So what did this do? This basically started a panic on a lot of the shorts, causing more panic, causing more shorts to become liquidated, and causing all of that exchange's money to start flowing back into the market. So what happened here? It went ahead, it pumped up, it got close to previous support here, which became resistance. It was rejected off of around the top of the RSI, give or take, bounced back down, got rejected a little bit, started a bit of a downtrend. This caused a little bit of FOMO, caused a lot more people to get burned on the way up, and then eventually, as you can see here, all that exchange's money went back out of the market. So why did it go back out of the market? Basically because it was pure manipulation. People on BitMEX saw this, okay, they see it up, okay, well it's got to go down from here, so they re-entered all of their short positions, took massive profits, and dropped the coin. So, as I said, technical analysis has been absolutely thrown out of the window today, as the market is absolutely filled with pure market manipulation today. Just another example of this, combined with this green candle, we actually had Tether print another $250 million into the market to pump up Bitcoin's price as an attempt to basically hold this area, which, as you can see, obviously failed. So before I continue on with the rest of the video here, if you'd like to join my free Telegram for insights on the market, including Bitcoin, altcoins, and a sneak peek to my personal entries and exits, join t.me/cryptosnakepit. Links are in the description below. Also, in our VIP group, we have been capitalizing on Bitcoin's sideways movements, pulling 25% so far on 0x, 20% profits on WON, 7% on GAME, 10% on ADA. If you want information on how to get into these trades in the VIP group, the information is also in the description below. So this Twitter post by BitMEX, which again is the longing and shorting leverage trading website, really amused me. So they're actually being DDoS'd right now at 7 million requests per minute, which is basically destroying their servers. Now, this is amusing to me, of course, because obviously someone is pissed off at their market manipulation here, or just lost a whole lot of money and decided to get BitMEX back. And it just goes to show how basic this entire market is, that BitMEX can be DDoS, basically an exchange that can absolutely manipulate Bitcoin's price. $200 can get attacked like this, which is of course probably causing a lot more panic over there, which is causing the prices to sway in either direction. So that, to me, I actually do find kind of amusing. And again, it just shows how early in this space we are right now. Now, as far as technical analysis for this video, I'm gonna wait probably another day or so before I actually even take a look at it. I'm still leaning very, very bearish, as just basically on the previous trend we were actually on the way down in lieu of Tether's printing and BitMEX's manipulation here. So the side trading was going to likely continue before another drop. We did actually break up back into the 4-hour cloud here, sort of. Again, it's really hard to tell whether this is just market manipulation or not, because we are just swinging right through these clouds here with no residual pump or dump here. So actual technical analysis right now in this range is very bad, but the overall market sentiment is bearish, so I do believe we are still going to continue that track down. Now if we go ahead and take a look at the overall market health here, you can actually see that Bitcoin dominance is still increasing. Again, with the market manipulation, without it, it still was on the trend for increasing, which means Bitcoin is likely to go down. We're going up to 53.14%, sloping up from a low of 50.63%, give or take. The overall market cap hasn't really moved much. We're still sitting around 209 billion. As this price shot up and then right back down, basically funneled all that money into the market and then right back out of the market. And as you can see here, most altcoins don't know which way to go. They're basically teetering around -3 to +3. The market's basically in a stalemate right now from that pump and dump. There's one thing I did want to address here that I did cover in another video here, is this CoinDesk article here. After Bitcoin price breakout, pending ETF decision make cap gains. So they don't actually understand why the price broke up here and the actual market manipulation behind it. So they're assuming, it was natural. But as you can see here, bull breakout. This price out was anything but bullish. As you can see here, the article actually does mention Bitcoin picked up a bid at exactly 1 UTC, the moment when BitMEX, the world's largest exchange for synthetic shorts, shut down for maintenance. So they actually think people should be taking profits, not because they think it's going to reject back down, which it did, but they're actually concerned with the rejection of the ETF, which I warned about previously. So on top of this downward candle here causing panic in the market, if we get an ETF rejection within the next 36 hours, I think that's going to set a precedent for the main ETF, which is going to cause even more panic and cause us just to fall right through the floor here. Now, should it be approved, I think there will be a very minor pump, but again, with all of this market manipulation here, I am absolutely staying out of the market right now. I don't want to get caught in one of these mega candles down or up in either direction, causing me to FOMO or anything like that. So I'm just watching it right now to see some actual authentic price movement. But overall, with the ETF looming, with the market manipulation here, I think the overall future for Bitcoin's price is pretty dark. So as I said, I'm still keeping my eye on that target on the one-day chart, the 5850 to 5500 area, give or take. We still are sort of forming the bear flag here. It has continued going. With all the market manipulation that's going on, though, it's really hard to get any technical analysis here. So I'll give you guys some more in-depth technical analysis tomorrow. So before I wrap this video up, I just want to say good luck on your trades this week, if you guys make any. I personally am not going to be making any in this sideways movement. Please join me in my free Telegram at t.me/cryptosnakepit, where I give up-to-the-minute updates on Bitcoin and my personal exits and entries from the private VIP group. Also included is our private VIP chat, where you can chat with many of our experienced Savage traders, get personal technical analysis from me, and answer any questions you might have. This is CryptoSnake, signing off.